God said, I am rebuilding you stronger than before, my friend. Listen to me with your whole heart, because what I'm about to say carries weight, authority, and divine timing. This message is for the one who has been broken in places no one sees. The one who has lost pieces of themselves along the journey. The one who feels like life has taken more than it has given. The one who has been holding on while hurting deeply. The one who wonders if anything good can rise from everything that fell apart. I want you to hear this as if it was spoken directly into your spirit. God said, I'm rebuilding you stronger than before. Not repairing you back to who you used to be. Not restoring you to the old version of yourself. But rebuilding meaning constructing something new. Stronger, wiser, deeper, more intentional, and more aligned with your destiny than anything you have ever been. You may feel like too much has been lost for rebuilding to be possible. You may feel like the damage has gone too deep. You may feel like the cracks cannot be mended. You may feel like the foundation of your life shifted too violently. But let me tell you something. God specializes in rebuilding what others would abandon. He specializes in using broken pieces to create stronger structures. He specializes in repairing hearts that were shattered, minds that were overwhelmed, dreams that were crushed, and spirits that were bruised, which you call broken. God calls raw material what you call damaged. God calls potential what you call ruined. God calls the beginning of reconstruction. You are not too far gone. You are not too wounded. You are not too behind. You are not too broken. You are not too late. You are simply in the rebuilding phase. Rebuilding is different from restoring. Restoration brings something back to its original condition. Rebuilding constructs something new out of what remains something stronger, more stable, more refined. And that is what God is doing in you. You will not be who you used to be. You will be stronger than who you used to be. You've walked through storms that shook you. You've endured losses that hollowed you out. You've survived seasons that drained you. You've battled circumstances that left you questioning your identity, your worth, your direction, your calling. You've been broken in ways you cannot articulate and hurt in ways you cannot explain. But here is the profound truth. Breaking was not the end, it was the preparation. Breaking exposed what needed strengthening. Breaking revealed the weak parts that couldn't sustain the weight of your destiny. Breaking forced you to confront areas of your life you tried to ignore. Breaking showed you where you needed healing, boundaries, clarity, courage, and transformation. God is not rebuilding you to resemble your past. He is rebuilding you to carry your future. Your old structure couldn't hold what God is bringing into your life. Your old habits couldn't sustain the next level of your calling. Your old thinking couldn't handle your next assignment. Your old environment couldn't nurture your next season. Your old identity couldn't walk through the new doors God is opening. Your old strength couldn't endure the new responsibility God is preparing you for. So he allowed the old structure to fall, not to destroy you, but to rebuild you. And let me tell you something, sacred rebuilding is painful, but it is holy. It is uncomfortable, but it is necessary. It is slow, but it is intentional. God is reconstructing your inner world, piece by piece, your confidence, your identity, your boundaries, your voice, your peace, your courage, your discipline, your discernment, your resilience. He is rebuilding you in ways you may not recognize yet. He is rebuilding you through the lessons you didn't ask for. He is rebuilding you through the tears that taught you strength. He is rebuilding you through the silence that taught you trust. He is rebuilding you through the disappointments that taught you discernment. He is rebuilding you through the losses that taught you value. He is rebuilding you through the storms that taught you endurance. You are being rebuilt from the inside out, not patched up on the surface, not temporarily fixed, but fundamentally reconstructed. You feel different because you are different. You think differently now. You notice things you ignored before. You sense things earlier. You trust more intentionally. You choose more carefully. You speak more truthfully. You protect your peace more fiercely. You honor your worth more deeply. These are signs of rebuilding. You are not who you were last year, last season, or even last month. You are emerging. You are rising. You are becoming. God said, I'm rebuilding you stronger than before. Because what broke you also built you. It built wisdom. It built depth. It built humility. It built gratitude. It built resilience. It built clarity. It built boundaries. It built discernment. It built spiritual awareness. It built emotional intelligence. It built inner strength you didn't know you possessed. You are not weak because you were broken. You are powerful because you survived. God is rebuilding you stronger than before because he is preparing you for doors you prayed for but weren't ready to walk through yet. He is strengthening your identity so you no longer shrink to fit environments beneath your calling. He is strengthening your voice so you speak truth even when fear tries to silence you. He is strengthening your heart so you can love without losing yourself. He is strengthening your mind so you can stand firm when doubt tries to return. He is strengthening your faith so you can see beyond circumstances. He is strengthening your spirit so you can handle spiritual battles that used to intimidate you. Some of the relationships that left you were part of the rebuilding. Some of the opportunities that fell apart were part of the rebuilding. Some of the disappointments that broke your heart were part of the rebuilding. Some of the people who betrayed you were part of the rebuilding. Some of the places you outgrew were part of the rebuilding. Not because God wanted you to suffer, but because he wanted you to see what could not go with you into the next season. If it walked away, it wasn't part of the new structure. If it collapsed, it wasn't meant to carry your future. If it exposed itself, it wasn't aligned with your destiny. If it ended, it wasn't built to last your lifetime. Rebuilding always begins with removal. God removed what was unstable. God removed what was distracting you. God removed what was weakening you. God removed what was limiting you. God removed what was draining you. God removed what was breaking you quietly. Then he began rebuilding, and now he is strengthening parts of you that were once vulnerable. Strengthening your emotional stability so you don't crumble under pressure. Strengthening your self-worth so you never allow what broke you to return. Strengthening your spiritual maturity so you can recognize deception. Strengthening your purpose so you don't wander again. Strengthening your boundaries so you don't settle again. Strengthening your courage so you don't retreat again. He is rebuilding you stronger. And you will feel it. You will feel your confidence returning. You will feel your joy rising. You will feel your clarity sharpening. You will feel your purpose calling. You will feel your passion awakening. You will feel your strength stabilizing. You will feel your spirit lifting. You will feel your heart healing. You will feel your mind clearing. You will feel your faith strengthening. You may feel isolated right now, but isolation is the construction ground of rebuilding. God isolates you not to punish you, but to focus you, to heal you without interference, to speak to you without noise, to strengthen you without distraction, to rebuild you without sabotage. Isolation is not rejection, it is preparation. You may feel hidden right now, but hidden seasons are holy seasons. God hides what he's rebuilding. He covers what he's strengthening. He conceals what he's constructing. Because premature exposure can damage a developing foundation. You are not hidden because you are forgotten. You are hidden because you are becoming. And when God reveals you again, you will be transformed. Not wounded, but wise. Not fragile, but fortified. Not bitter, but better. Not broken, but rebuilt. This rebuilding is personal, deep, sacred, intentional, divine. Pray this with me. From the depths of your spirit, God, rebuild me. Strip away what no longer serves your purpose in my life. Strengthen the parts of me that were once fragile. Restore my identity. Renew my mind. Rekindle my passion. Reinforce my spirit. Rebuild my faith, my confidence, my peace, my purpose. Make me stronger than I've ever been. And as you pray, I believe this God is already at work. The rebuilding has already begun. You are being reshaped. You are being renewed. You are being restored. You are being restructured. You are being remade. Walk boldly into your future. Walk with your head lifted. Walk with your spirit awake. Walk with your purpose aligned. Walk with your strength restored. Walk with your heart healed. Walk with your faith unshakable. Walk as someone rebuilt by the hands of God. Because God said, I'm rebuilding you stronger than before. And when God rebuilds, nothing can break what rises from his hands.